Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the euro currency again. So this market stands around the major monthly support. We do not have really big changes on the high time frames. On the monthly and the weekly, even on the daily, the situation stands mostly the same as we have discussed in the previous week. So 113 area, 113, 114 area is the actually yearly pivot point on the monthly chart, and major 50% support also on the monthly. That's why some retracement, some reaction is commonly expected from such kind of levels. When you see that market hits the major area, major level on the higher time frame, it usually leads to response on the lower time frame, and some big patterns really could be formed. So on the daily chart, we mostly continue our journey with the large head and shoulders pattern that we foresee for approximately few months probably already. So once we have recognized the possible butterfly here, it was the point where we said that probably that could become the pattern that will trigger and put the starting point of the reversal. At least it could to do this. And currently, the overall start right from the bottom was not really bad, because on intraday charts we see some thrusting action. And actually, the 113 point that we have here is the vital point, this crucial point for overall bullish setup. Because if market will fail to hold above it and will break it down, it could mean that the downward continuation will follow. And in this case, euro will proceed right to the next one or a target that will be yearly pivot support one. Because currently, guys, as we mentioned in the daily video, on last week, the euro in fact has completed all preliminary steps for a possible reversal. So market has hit the major support on all time frames. Weekly chart, on the monthly chart, market has hit the yearly pivot point. Market has formed bullish reversal pattern, which is a butterfly. So everything actually is done for possible preparation for reversal, for starting upward action. So that's kind of the moment of truth for the euro, whether we will get the upward scenario, upward action or not. So, and all of this stuff is based on 113 lows. So very, very fragile, but at the same time it's rather clear, and that's which is actually good for us. So we easily could determine whether this stuff is valid or not, just in relation to the 113 lows. So currently we're starting another second part of our journey with the upward action, the forming of the right part of the big head and shoulders pattern. Definitely it will take a few weeks or maybe months of this retracement, but when you have the direction for a long period ahead, it's much easier to deal with it. And when you definitely know where is the point, or where the vital point for the setup. But since this is a retracement kind of action, and on the daily chart currently we do not have some clear patterns or something of that sort, mostly our major focus will stand on the intraday charts, because there we have the major patterns, there we have the major activity on the market. So that's why the most important thing for us right now is the 4-hour time frame chart and of course hourly time frame chart. So on the 4-hour time frame chart we have some important details. That's the confluence resistance that we have discussed last week as well. So you're probably familiar with that. So 1425, 1446 is confluence resistance. And now market stands on the kind of the ABCD action. So as soon as market will hit it, it also will become a kind of the agreement resistance. And after it will be completed, it's logical to expect some deep retracement by two reasons. First of all, market stands. Actually, this will be by itself, so not bad resistance for intraday charts, and some response could start. But at the same time, market was standing in a long-term downward action, which still has bearish momentum. So guys, that's the common things that I'm talking about every time. But they work, and that's actually what's really matter for markets. So strong bearish momentum exists, and the first retracement up probably will be pressed by this momentum, since market needs to fade down this momentum a bit, and it usually leads to the deep retracement. Usually it's 50% or 618 retracement. Second issue why this retracement could follow is a reversal swing. So take a look at market now is forming the reversal swing, because market already stands above these previous tops. It means that this leg up is greater than this leg down, and this is reversal kind of action. And that's also another reason why the downward retracement here could happen. So that's what we'll be watching for in the beginning of the week. But at the same time, you could see that ABCD hasn't quite been reached yet. So 1454, that is the target of this ABCD pattern. It means that on the next week, market could move slightly higher. So on the hourly chart, we have, first of all, take a look at our ABCD minor pattern. It has been completed perfectly on Friday. So market has hit this target. And markets right now is creeping to the 1618 extension of the butterfly. As you can see, this extension mostly coincides with the follow time frame chart ABCD pattern, but ABCD target stands a bit higher. What we could say here, first of all, for the butterflies, these kind of candles are not really very good, because butterfly is a reversal pattern, and when the market completes the reversal pattern, but action stands straight forward to a point of the potential reversal, this is not a good sign. It means the butterfly could fail, and in general, market could proceed slightly higher. But anyway, this is not major point for us, because we do not search currently chance to go short. We are watching for long positions, and now you can see that that was the first entry opportunity, as we said, when the butterfly pattern has been completed, and we said that is the more aggressive and more risky chance to go long. But currently, as you can see, that was, we could say that the point in favor of those who have taken this risk and taken the long position now there feels really good since our prediction. But another opportunity to go long, the next opportunity, should appear when the market will start to form deep retracement. And here, just to remind you that also we are watching for another hand and shoulders. We need to get them the shoulder here, another shoulder. That will be opportunity to go long again. And from that standpoint, we do not carry in general where the upward action will stop. For us, the major thing that it's really matter that appearing of the retracement per se. So we just need this retracement to take the long position. But where it will start, it's really not very important. That's why that's just our suggestion where the market could stop and how it could turn down. But I think that it should happen around the ABCD target, but maybe market will form the 127 or ABCD, a bit high action could follow just because of this upward rally. But as I said, this is not really important, because where we'll be watching for retracement to take the long position. That's our major focus. And for that purpose, we will keep an eye on these two levels. The first is a confidence support, is 1380 approximately, and major 618 support, 1355. By the common practice, the 618 support has more chance to hold the retracement, because it corresponds mostly to the bottom of the left shoulder. As market will move slightly higher, levels also will shift a bit higher, and 618 will be perfectly matched to the bottom of the left arm. And that will be great, because this will let market to keep the harmony of the pattern. So that's our trading plan next week. So those of you who are taking longs right from here, you could decide what to do. Either take position, take the profit, or just move stops and protect your profit, wait for retracement, taking another position here. So that's, you could decide by yourself what you do in the profitable position. Others who are searching chance to go along, where guys will be watching for a 618 retracement. And that is our trading plan for next week on the euro currency.